In this video, I want to talk about how to effectively clean your washing machine and get even more dirt out of the washing machine tub. This washing machine hasn't been cleaned for a year, and this is the result of using just one packet of tub cleaning powder. As you can see, quite a bit of dirt is broken up from the tub and can be seen floating inside. Here is another look at the tub after the washing machine had drained out all the water. Without further ado, let me show you what I've done to achieve such a result. The first thing to do for any washing machine is to start by removing the lint filters so that they do not get clogged up by the dirt that we are about to dislodge from the tub. This washing machine has two filters near the bottom, and once removed, we can already spot some dirt around the filter sockets. The next thing we are going to do is to power on the washing machine and scroll through the program list until we reach the Tub Clean program. I'll be using Daiso's Wash Tub Cleaner powder. This time, I'll be trying to follow the instructions as close as possible. It says to run the machine for around 5 minutes and let it sit for 6 hours. This is the main difference from my previous video where I simply selected the Tub Clean mode, poured in the washing machine powder and left the machine to deal with it. While waiting for the tub to fill up, it is a good idea to slowly pour the powder to help it dissolve quicker. At this point, quite a bit of bubbles will start to build up. To catch the lint and dirt, I will be using this suction cup filter. This is also from Daiso. As you can see, the suction cup tends to fall off at first, but once you are able to get it to stick, it seems rather secure. And just for the fun of it, I will also be using this floating filter from Daiso as well. Now that the washing machine is full, I'll let it run for about 5 minutes and then I'll pause it for another 6 hours before I come back. Alright, with the power of editing, it has been 6 hours and time to check out what has collected at the bottom of the tub. As you can see, not much is there, but I'm suspecting that a lot more dirt will be released after we give it another wash cycle to agitate the tub. Okay, now that the wash cycle is complete, let's take a look at our floating filter. Okay, not much has been collected here yet. At this point, I have drained and refilled the tub with fresh water, gave it another 5 minutes of wash cycle, and here is the result. I think the tub is still quite dirty as more dirt breaks free into the tub. If your tub is very dirty, you might want to drain and refill the tub several times more before all the accumulated dirt can be removed. It is good to see that the Daiso washing machine cleaner works very well and manages to break free so much gunk that had accumulated after a year of use with this machine. Overall, I would recommend using the Daiso washing machine cleaner for its low price and high effectiveness. The floating filter and the suction cup filters are, however, not as effective as I hoped in capturing the debris. In the end, refilling and draining the tub several times is the only effective way to remove the flakes completely.